Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, where we bring you the most exciting automotive content, reviews, and in-depth insights into the world of cars. Today, we take a closer look at the 1975 Dodge Charger, an iconic muscle car that represents an era of raw power and unmistakable styling. This car holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts for its bold design, impressive performance, and lasting legacy in American automotive history. The 1975 Dodge Charger marked the third generation of the model, bringing a more refined and luxurious approach to the muscle car segment while retaining its aggressive stance and powerful performance. This model year saw a shift in the automotive industry as manufacturers adjusted to new regulations, including stricter emissions standards and fuel economy concerns. Despite these changes, the Charger remained a symbol of strength and performance. Under the hood, the 1975 Dodge Charger offered a range of powerful engine options catering to different levels of performance. The base model came equipped with a 225 cubic inch slant-six engine, producing moderate power suitable for daily driving. For those seeking more muscle, Dodge provided V8 options, including the 318 cubic inch, 360 cubic inch, and the more potent 400 cubic inch and 440 cubic inch Magnum engines. The high-performance 440 Magnum V8 delivered thrilling acceleration and a deep, rumbling exhaust note that defined the Charger's character. These engines were mated to either a 3-speed automatic transmission or a 4-speed manual transmission, giving drivers control over how they wanted to experience the power of this classic machine. The exterior of the 1975 Dodge Charger continued to evolve from its predecessors, adopting a more aerodynamic and refined design while maintaining its aggressive stance. The front end featured a split grille design with hidden headlights, giving the car a menacing and sleek appearance. The long, sculpted hood and muscular fenders emphasized its powerful nature, while the sloping fastback roofline added a touch of elegance to its silhouette. The Charger's bold styling was further enhanced by distinctive color options and optional stripe packages, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicles to match their tastes. Inside, the 1975 Dodge Charger offered a more comfortable and luxurious cabin compared to earlier models. The interior featured high-quality materials, plush seating, and a driver-focused dashboard layout. The instrument panel was designed for easy readability, providing essential information at a glance. Optional upgrades included bucket seats, a center console, wood grain trim, and even power windows, enhancing the premium feel of the car. The spacious cabin made it a practical choice for those looking to combine performance with comfort, making it suitable for long highway cruises as well as spirited drives. One of the key highlights of the 1975 Dodge Charger was its performance-oriented trim levels. The Charger SE Special Edition brought additional luxury and convenience features, catering to those who wanted a more refined driving experience. On the other hand, the Charger RT Road/Track was designed for enthusiasts who craved high-performance capabilities. The RT variant came with the most powerful engine options, upgraded suspension components, and aggressive styling cues that set it apart from the rest of the lineup. With its sports-tuned chassis and powerful V8 engines, the Charger RT delivered exhilarating performance and a thrilling driving experience. Handling and ride quality were improved over previous generations, thanks to Dodge's efforts in refining the suspension system. The Charger featured an independent front suspension with torsion bars, providing a smoother and more controlled ride. The rear suspension used leaf springs, ensuring stability and durability under heavy acceleration and cornering. While muscle cars of this era were known for straight-line speed rather than sharp handling, the Charger managed to strike a balance between power and comfort. The optional heavy-duty suspension package further enhanced its road manners, making it a capable performer on both highways and twisty roads. Braking performance was another area where the 1975 Dodge Charger showed improvements. Standard models came equipped with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, while higher performance variants offered power-assisted brakes for enhanced stopping power. The braking system was adequate for the time, providing confidence when bringing the hefty muscle car to a stop. Safety features, although basic by modern standards, included seat belts, impact-absorbing steering columns, and optional features like power steering and power brakes to aid in overall control. Fuel efficiency was not a strong point for the 1975 Dodge Charger, as it was primarily built for power and performance rather than economy. The larger V8 engines, especially the 440 Magnum, consumed fuel at a rapid rate, making it a less practical choice for those concerned about rising fuel prices in the mid-70s. However, for enthusiasts who valued performance and the raw thrill of driving a classic American muscle car, the trade-off was well worth it. The legacy of the 1975 Dodge Charger extends beyond its time on the road. It became a cultural icon, appearing in various movies, television shows, and automotive events. Its bold styling, powerful presence, and undeniable muscle car heritage make it a highly sought-after classic among collectors and enthusiasts today. Restoring and maintaining a 1975 Charger requires dedication, as original parts can sometimes be challenging to find, but the effort is well worth it for those who appreciate its timeless appeal. When looking at the Charger's place in the broader automotive landscape, it's clear that Dodge successfully transitioned from the high-performance muscle car era of the late 60s to the more regulated and efficiency-conscious 70s without losing its essence. While emissions regulations and fuel crises began to impact the muscle car segment, Dodge continued to offer thrilling performance options, keeping the Charger relevant among enthusiasts. The 1975 model may not have been as extreme as its predecessors in terms of raw power, but it retained the heart and soul of a true muscle car. Ownership of a classic like the 1975 Dodge Charger comes with its own set of rewards and challenges. Enthusiasts cherish the car for its nostalgic value, aggressive styling, and V8 soundtrack that turns heads wherever it goes. However, maintaining an old-school muscle car requires proper care, regular servicing, and a passion for keeping automotive history alive. Many owners opt for modern upgrades, such as electronic fuel injection and improved suspension components, to enhance drivability while preserving the car's classic character. In the modern era, the Dodge Charger nameplate has evolved into a full-sized sedan, offering high-performance variants like the SRT Hellcat and the Scat Pack. While these modern iterations pay homage to their classic roots with powerful engines and bold styling, the 1975 Dodge Charger remains a symbol of the golden age of American muscle cars. It represents a time when raw horsepower, aggressive design, and a rebellious spirit defined the automotive world. For those considering owning a 1975 Dodge Charger today, it's essential to appreciate its historical significance and embrace the experience of driving a true classic. Whether it's cruising down the highway, showcasing at car meets, or restoring it to its former glory, the Charger holds a special place in the hearts of muscle car enthusiasts worldwide. Its combination of power, style, and nostalgia ensures that it will continue to be a revered classic for generations to come. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1975 Dodge Charger, make sure to subscribe to Wheelcraft Studio for more in-depth reviews, classic car features, and all things automotive. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.